Hey there, welcome back to Eliation's YouTube channel. Today, we are diving into the world of C programming, the language that may seem simple at first but comes with struggles only a C programmer can truly understand. Whether you're just starting or have faced the frustrations of pointers, memory management, and more, this video is for you. And guess what? Stick around because I'll show you how you can join Eliation's C training program at a discounted rate to boost your career. Let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about the learning curve. When you first start with C programming, it all seems manageable until you hit your first bug. Why is my output not what I expected? Why am I getting segmentation faults? This struggle of debugging is something only C programmers can relate to. It's challenging but also incredibly rewarding. Next, there's memory management. Malak and free. Managing memory in C is like juggling. You don't want to drop the ball. Many programmers have faced the dreaded memory leak, and it's a rite of passage for any C coder. But with practice and the right guidance, you'll master it. Now, let's talk about pointers. If you're new to C programming, understanding pointers can feel like trying to solve a riddle. But trust me, once you get the hang of it, it's like unlocking a new level in a game. It can be tough, but it's worth the effort. At Eliation, we understand these struggles, and that's why we've designed our C training program to help you overcome them step by step. With hands-on projects, personalized guidance, and real-world applications, you'll not only master C but also open doors to exciting career opportunities. Plus, you'll get an internship project, a certificate, and a letter of recommendation. And, if you register now, you can get our course for just 1000 rupees instead of 2499 rupees. Ready to get started? Scan the QR code on your screen, and you can join Eliation's C training program today. The fees are only 2499 rupees, but if you register now, you'll get a discount of 1499 rupees, so you only pay 1000 rupees. Don't miss this opportunity to learn C, build real-world projects, and land the job or internship you've been dreaming of. That's it for today. If you've faced these struggles or want to start learning C programming the right way, Team Eliation is here to help. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share it with your fellow programmers. We'll see you in the next video. And don't forget, scan the QR code now to register for the C training program and kickstart your programming journey with Eliation.